Hello guys. If your hotel collection scent diffuser suddenly stops filling the room with fragrance and it feels like no smell is coming out anymore, it can definitely become frustrating, especially when the diffuser still seems to be running. Sometimes the hotel collection scent diffuser powers on normally but barely releases any scent, while other times fragrance disappears completely without warning. A situation like this can happen because of low oil levels, blocked tubing, weak mist settings, or airflow issues that are easy to overlook. Before assuming something major completely stopped working, there are a few simple things worth checking because many hotel collections and diffuser smell problems can improve after quick adjustments. In this video, let's go through several easy steps to help fix a hotel collection scent diffuser with no smell issue. Step 1. Check the oil bottle inside the hotel collection scent diffuser and confirm fragrance oil is not running low. Step 2. Inspect tubing connected to the hotel collection scent diffuser if scent suddenly becomes weak or disappears. Step 3. Adjust scent intensity settings on the hotel collection scent diffuser if output feels too low. Step 4. Reposition the fragrance bottle inside the hotel collection scent diffuser and confirm it sits properly. Step 5. Restart the hotel collection scent diffuser briefly to refresh fragrance flow normally. Step 6. Test the hotel collection scent diffuser again and confirm scent output improves properly.